Okay, this gravy is looking so good. I changed my mind. I'm going to add these in with the gravy. Remember what I said to get those corners there on the side so it can fit inside. You can't see, I'm sorry. That it can fit inside of the pan. Okay. Start putting that gravy on top of the pork chops. Should have did it in a bigger pan, but I changed my mind midway of wanting to put the gravy on top of the pork chops. So after I finish that one, lay him down with his corner to the side so I could lay down there evenly. Okay. Okay. That one's done. Turn. Put in. Okay. That one turned excellent. Thank you. You ever talk to your food? That's looking good. Okay, guys. What I'm gonna do, low light, top on, about 5 minutes. Okay, doesn't that look good? Hope you can see it. Can you see? Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. Those mushrooms there. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Going to fix my sugar pies plate first. Those string beans and taters. Pork chop. Ain't that pretty? Some nice gravy. Put that over the pokey chops. And you always want to kind of pretty up your plate. So I got some tomatoes. So pretty up the plate. My husband loves tomatoes. Got a little color there. And this is the finished product. Almost lost my pork chop. Good thing it was another plate there. Always have a sense of humor. You go right back there. Why you jumped off that plate? Why you jumped off there? Again, this is my husband's plate. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Jacqueline's channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell a family member about Jacqueline's channel. Thank you all for coming, and I hope you enjoyed being here. See you soon. Bye-bye. Yes, this is the end. My husband said dinner was very good.